Hello and welcome to our DBT Core Guide. My name is Steven Johnson and I'm the Data Community Advocate here at Shipyard. I'm so excited that you're joining us to learn more about how to deploy DBT Core into the cloud. This series will include 3 parts that help you start from scratch in DBT Core and get you to a point where you can begin to transform your data. At the end of part 1, you will have the sample data provided uploaded to your cloud data warehouse to be ready to move into part 2. This guide was made for users of Amazon's Redshift Cloud Data Warehouse. If you use BigQuery, Snowflake, or Databricks, don't worry because we also have guides made specifically for those 3 cloud data warehouses. The links for those are available in the description below. Also in the description below is a link to the sample data that we will utilize throughout this guide. If you'll go ahead and download that, you'll be prepared to get started. The first step in this guide will be to take the data that you just downloaded from Google Drive and uploading it into an S3 bucket. Navigate to a bucket that you would like to upload the sample data to. Feel free to create a bucket that will house this data if you don't have one created already. Create a folder inside of your bucket named 538_football. Once the folder is created, navigate inside of the folder and click the Upload button. Click the Add Files button, then select the 2 sample files and click Open. Then select the Upload button. This will take you to a page that shows you the upload status of your files. Once the upload has succeeded, click Close. Click the name of each table that we uploaded and take note of the S3 URI of each file. We will need those in a moment to copy the tables from S3 into Redshift. After taking note of those URIs, navigate over to the query editor inside of Redshift. Now that we're inside the Redshift query editor, we're going to need to run some longer queries. To save time, I already have the queries written out in my editor. You can find the specific queries that I'm running inside the written guide that's linked in the description below. Let's get started. First, we want to create our schema called soccer with the following script. Once the soccer schema is created, we'll need to create the tables inside the new soccer schema that will hold our sample data. We can do that with the following 2 scripts. Now that we're ready to load the data from S3 into Redshift, we'll want to replace the S3 URI that you took note of earlier, your IAM role, in your specific region, and run the following queries to copy the tables over from S3 into Redshift. Once this process is complete, we are now able to see the 2 tables inside of Redshift and can even run a quick query to verify that the data is stored inside the tables. Thank you for joining me for part 1 of our DBT Core series. You're now ready to move on to part 2 where we'll focus on setting up DBT Core in the cloud. If you have any questions about part 1 or as you move into part 2 or even part 3, feel free to use the intercom button on the bottom right hand corner of the Shipyard webpage. See you in part 2.